What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with All Source, and today we are starting off a new series here on All Source, and it's modifying my Mercedes. Now, if you didn't check my previous video out, I took delivery of my new Mercedes C-Class about a month ago, and I also did a quick review of it. So if you haven't seen them videos, make sure you check it out, my previous video. I also told you in one of them videos that what I'll be doing to my car in the future. So here it is. I am starting with this part 1, episode 1 of modifying my Mercedes. Now, if you didn't see the Mercedes, people, here it is. Here is my C200 2016 AMG line Mercedes C-Class. I did say that I will be doing a few modifications with this car. First of all, what I'd like to do is the grille. I'd like to change the grille on it. The grille doesn't look too bad, to be honest, but a bit of modifications won't hurt. Also, this chrome bit as well, I would like to change the chrome bit in, wrap it into black. The wheels as well, what do you think? I would like your thoughts in the comment section below. Should I change the wheels, or should I actually powder coat the wheels into a different color, maybe half black and half silver, you know, this black in the inner, and so leave the silver outline. But yeah, your thoughts in the comment section would be appreciated. So in this video today, as the title says, what I'm going to be doing, also I've added some wind rain reflectors as well to give it that extra look. But yeah, also it does look really nice. But what I want to do in this video today, as the title says, is add a lip spoiler to the back. So in this video I'll be installing my lip spoiler and seeing how it looks. So this is how it looks without the lip spoiler, and hopefully in this video after the intro I'll actually show you. But your thoughts in the comment section below would be appreciated on what else I should do to this car. Should I put a new diffuser on the back? Let me know. As this is a C200, this is a 1.6 diesel, if you didn't see the review of the car. Anyways, people, let's get started. What's happening, people? Now, just before I actually show you the lip spoiler, there's a few other designs that you can get when it comes to the back lip spoiler, but I'll show you the design I got later on in the video. There is one thing that I actually want to change in this video that I am going to do on the car. So it's actually at the back. You probably can identify it. If you can't, it's this is what I want to actually take off. I want to debadge the C200D, so it's just got the lip spoiler and the Mercedes badge, and then after that we'll install the lip spoiler. So let's take a look at which lip spoiler we have, and then I'll actually start. Here we have it, people. Here is the lip spoiler. I'm trying to do this off camera is a little bit hard, but I just actually received it yesterday. It actually already comes painted, as you can see, in the same color, iridium silver. This is as well, so it's iridium silver, which is really good. Here it is, people. Let's just actually add it onto the car and show you what it's going to be like. That is what it's going to be like, people. Let me just move this aside. Check that out, people. Hopefully the end product will actually look like that. What do you think? Does it look good with the spoiler or without the spoiler? Let me know in the comment section below. And another thing as well, do you think that the spoiler looks good in iridium silver as it is now, or repainted or wrapped in a black color? Because there's a few bits on this car that I want to change into black, being the chrome. So I want to dechrome it into black, and also the wheels as well. I want to change them into a black color. So let me know in your comment section below your thoughts on what I should actually do to the car. Not only the grille at the front, the wheels, the dechrome, I also want to change a bit more of the exterior as well. So let me know in the comment section below. Should I change this from iridium silver into black, the lip spoiler? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Anyways, people, let's get started. Let's remove the C200, debadge the Mercedes C200, and then we'll add the lip spoiler in this episode 1 of modifying my Mercedes. Better turn down the volume before I get some copyright strikes. Anyways, people, there we have it. That was episode 1 of Modify My Mercedes. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Here's what it looked like before while I was driving, and now here's what it's like after me installing the lip spoiler. So I'm glad that the spoiler came in the color that the car is. So the car color is iridium silver, that's what it's called. But yeah, I'm just taking it for a test drive, get it up to speed a bit, just so hopefully the spoiler doesn't fly off. But yeah, also it looks really nice. And let me know on your thoughts. Should I leave it silver or should I do it black? But reason being, because I want to change this car, a few bits on this car to black anyway. So yeah, hence why I might change the spoiler to silver at a later date. But anyways, people, as always, make sure you subscribe to All Sorts and also hit the bell notification so when I upload any video you'll actually be notified. And yeah, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you again for episode 2 on Modify My Mercedes here on All Sorts. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you again for another video. Wax some music on now. Check this out, people. Wow, we've got 2 Rolexes. These are the day date 2 Rolexes. Now, 1 second, people. I am just going to go and ask the owner about these Rolexes.